Okay, next we're going to look at the blade of the Gerber Suspension multi-tool. This is also a very inexpensive multi-tool you can just grab off the shelf at Home Depot. Okay, and this is a 25X. This is a blade that has seen moderate use. That's the tip. It doesn't look so bad when you look at it. You can tell with the naked eye that there's a burr on it. Well, boy, when you get it close up, it looks really chewed up. I promise I did not use it as a pry bar or a screwdriver. That's just normal use, probably cutting something. Maybe dropped it while it was open. Honestly, I don't really use it that much. So let me see if I can improve the image. And we're going to slide along the blade and show you what a little bit of moderate wear looks like. Very little use. Never on paper. Never to cut paper or open an envelope. Only to cut a nylon cord now and then. You can see that that's a blade that is held up well. I've never attempted to sharpen it. Nice and clean edge. Now I'm going to take it off of the 25X lens. See where it's nicked and burred? I don't know if it's a burr, but it's definitely uneven. See, it's been used. Signs of use. There you go. Not too bad. Okay, so this is what the blade looks like without the 25X. Except for that burr on the tip, I haven't abused my knife too badly. Okay. Alright, once again, this is the 25X Macroscope, handcrafted by my friends at Turf-Tec International in Tallahassee, Florida. Please make me a mount for my iPhone to make it easier for me to do this. Peace out.